Good evening, everyone. How are we?
Good evening, sir. I'm tired.
Evening, sir. We're okay.
Good, good, good.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, man, how are you? How are things? I gave a question last class and asked that you try as best as possible to complete it. Were you able to? Okay, let me go again. I gave you a question last class and I asked that you go ahead and try it for me. Were you able to?
Sir, I was not. Sorry about that.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, I'm
So,
currently doing it. Sorry about that.
okay, but no problem. I'm giving you, I'm giving you 5 minutes to make an attempt of the question because I'm moving into geometric progression. So take some time to get it done for me, please. Thank you. How far are we now?
Finish, sir.
Sir, this finding the sum of the terms.
It. I thought I did it. What's wrong with this thing? Okay. All right, guys. Let me know when I can go through the question, please. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Shand. That was very smart of you. Oh.
Sir, you're talking because you're like your audio going in and out.
No, I'm not talking. I'm waiting on. I gave an instruction a while ago to let me know when you're finished with the question so that I can do it.
Sir,
Okay.
can go ahead, sir.
Mm. Um,
Are we sleeping? We need to wake up, sir. Ready for we. Wake up, everybody.
and I'm thinking the same thing too. It's like the semester done. People are just, and it's not just this class. It's my other class too. Last night I had a
Sir, I just choose some of the classes them done, so them feel like them not going to them. Sure, we
yeah,
there.
man. No, man, but when I'm losing the energy, man, I felt it on Tuesday when I met with you. And last night I had my,
Sir, me soon finish.
yeah, hurry up. And last night I had the same experience with um, my calculus one class. Yeah, I talked to them and nobody now answer. So me go quiet. Me go quiet. No,
Sir,
man.
no, we instructed that Mrs. Book.
Eh?
So she got quiet too.
Oh, that.
I should not talk to ourselves.
Or that.
Miss Butler.
No, me not talk to myself. I keep telling my students, I know this. I have been doing what you are doing now in college is what I did in high school, right? I I did this in did this in additional math years ago, so I can sit down and talk to myself. Me no need to come a class on Zoom to do that. Me can lay down in my bed and talk to myself. So only have to talk to me.
Good
So
answer.
yeah, I'm gonna help Papi. So I want to know if I open my mouth and talk, man. All right, I'm Miss Butler. My eye in 2 years. So when you stop talking, me mute. Me listen to only. Sorry, not talking. Oh, you ready for talk now? All right. I don't know. All of a sudden, I just feel very nasal, and I mean, I was okay. I was okay. So I don't know why all of a sudden no. All right. Let me just copy this. All right. I'm going to. All right. I was trying to look for the question. So while I speak, so give me a second. Can somebody read the question for me?
Sure. All right. So it says, right, this. Hold on, sir. 1 second.
Sir, the 15th term of an AP is 50, while the 9th term is 29.
All right. Don't go no further yet. Hey, Drika, how you doing? How you feeling, Drika? I hope you're feeling better.
Sir, you sound like you're sick.
No, and I'm saying, I was good all along. I was just lying down, waiting for the class to start. And I don't know why it is that I'm so nasal now. I was fine. I was perfectly fine. Good, fine too. All right. So tell me that you agree with me for the first line that was read. The 15th term of an AP is 50, while the ninth term is 29. Do you agree that?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job, Rockstone. Oh, all right. So hold on a moment, please. Hold on a moment. I'm coming back to you. Alrighty then. So we are going to be. By the way, are you hearing me loud and clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We're going to be solving simultaneously. And to be honest, yeah, some expect them to send a question. I expect them to send a question giving you a simultaneous. If they're giving you one of these, I expect a simultaneous. They may give one of the easy one that we would do before to calculate the last term and the sum and them something. But yeah, I'm expecting them to give you a question like this one. All right, let's go. Oh, let me say before you ask. So I have the coursework pieces. I would just love a little bit of time to just proofread them just to make sure that them Anki Dory and them sound. All right. So I have them just to let you know before, sir, but I have them. All right. So let's go. So we're going to solve simultaneously. We're solving simultaneously, and the simultaneous solution. Well, I'm going to ask a question. Which of the two equations um, appear to be bigger?
First, sir.
John 1.
Very good. The first one, equation one. I agree. Equation one appears to be bigger. So as a result of that, I'm going to be subtracting the smaller one from it. I'm going to be subtracting the smaller one from it. So what I'm going to be doing is, so why is this pre-calculus giving me this thing now? All right. So what I'm going to be doing is say 1 minus 2. Do you agree with that? That I'm subtracting the smaller equation
Yes,
from the bigger?
sir.
All right, good job. So a minus a is 0, and 14d minus 8d is
6.
6b. And what is 50
Mm-hmm.
minus 29?
21D. I mean,
51.
what 21D? 21, sorry.
So in order to find d, I'm going to divide both sides by 6. Do you agree with that?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job. And then 6 into 21 goes 6 threes are
3.5.
18. 3.5. Very good. So d is equals to 3.5.
Sir, me get 7/2.
I was about to say that, or 7/2. I would prefer to use the 7/2, but of course you know exactly what it is. So we're using the 7/2. Now, this is what is going to happen. I'm going to put d equals to 7/2 into which of the equations?
2, sir. The small one.
Okay. I'm going to put it in equation number 2. So I'm going to have a plus a times 7/2. Can't do the spinning in it right now. Hold on here, guys. Ah, 7/2 and is equals to 29. Of course, that's 8/1. Look at what is happening. This 2 cancels into that 1 time, this into that 4 times. 4 times 7. Guys, want to talk to me now, man. Sure.
Sir, so why I never just write 56/2?
Same difference. Same difference. So the first term is 1 and the common difference is 7/2.
Yes, sir.
All right. And then now, and then you are asking me for, you're asking me for what now? What's the other part of the question? Sorry.
Sum of the first 12 terms. Oh, determine the common difference. First term, sum of the first 12 term, and write the first 5 term of the progression. So we're going to do the sum of the first 12 term now, sir. Sir?
Yeah, man, I heard it. Thank you. So the sum of the first 12 terms. The sum of the first 12 terms?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. S12 is going to be equals to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times g. And what we we have A is 1, we have D to be equals to 7 over 2, and we have N to be equals to 12. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Good, sir.
All right, here the plan. We're going to press pause. We're going to have a little talk. Um, by now, one of the things I know to do is to know your teachers' likes and dislikes. That much I know about my students, and I know my students all too well. You see, if you know, if you don't plan to talk to me tonight, it's not a problem. You know, wanna make me know. Me can go back, go lay down.
No, nobody will go back later.
Okay, yeah. So
So the first
open
part.
on the mouth and wanna talk to the teacher.
All right, so first off, I have not been able to practice much because
Mhm.
it's not an excuse, but work have me up early and in late. So I'm gonna get much time to practice. But for the
Understood.
first part where you just do,
Second that.
first part that you just do,
Third that.
always be straightforward.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so no need to catch this part where you getting the terms or the N over 2 and that
Right.
part.
That's a sum. This is what we use to calculate the sum.
Okay.
Right. So this is a sum. This is when you're calculating the sum of terms.
Okay. You're right, that's right.
All right, let's go. I want to just talk to me, man. I want to make me know if you're not having a difficulty to do something, just let me know. There's when you have a relationship, have communication. If you have communication, your husband or your wife will leave you know. Or if you don't have communication, your teachers will leave it too. So
So everybody
communication
left
is
in
key.
their mind already.
Me know that. But guess what? We still have work to be done, and we're gonna get it done. Come, let's go. All right. So n is equal to S12 is going to be equals to 12 over 2 times 2 times a, which is 1, plus n minus 1, which is 12 minus 1, times d, which is 7 over 2.
7/2. Yes, sir.
So that is going to be give me 6 times 2
2/1.
plus, right, 2 over 1 plus,
11 times 7/2.
good job. 6 times 2 over 1 plus 77 over 2, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
L-
LCM
yes, sir. LCM.
is 2, don't?
Oh,
1 into 2 goes,
2
Two
times 2 to
times.
and 2 times 2,
4.
2 into 2 goes,
1 time
and 1 times 77 is,
77.
and 77 times 4 is, plus 4 is,
81.
81.
so 6 times 81 over 2, don't?
Mm-hmm.
But what we can say now is 27 goes 1 and 26 goes 3, don't it?
Yes, sir.
And then
Yes.
we can say
Repeat
3
that part
times
there, sir.
27 go
Oh,
1,
I just see what you said.
and 3 is 24, so that's going to be 243, don't?
Yes, sir.
And done.
Sir, I made this stop there, sir.
Well, you know, if it's stuck like done.
Oh, should them ask you some more things?
All right, so
Yeah. Ask for some more things because
All right, off this,
So
please.
sorry, you just said 2 into 6, and then you said the
it's
3 times
it's 3 times 80
81.
to 1. Good job.
Okay.
All right, quickly. You can download the whiteboard, but if you want to write it, go ahead. What's the other part of the question? I'm not seeing it yet. What's the other part of the question?
Determine the common difference. First term, sum of first 12 term, and write the first 5 term of the progression. Sure, sir. One more something you have to do.
Right, the first 5 terms.
Mm. Let me see.
The first 5 terms.
Mhm.
I forgot what you're recording here.
So what is happening now? The first term is 1. So let me just write something just to refresh your memory. And this is for Monique who
Yes.
and others who say them right.
A plus D. And that's at the first 5 term.
Very good. So that's what I want to write. So those who aren't following fully can catch on it. So the first term is going to be A, then A plus D, then the third term is going to be, oh come on, A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, then come on, A plus 4D, comma, dot, dot, dot. Right? So those are the 5 terms. So what we now need to do is to write it. A is 1, we know that. And then the other one is going to be 1 plus 7 over 2. Then 1 plus 2 times 7 over 2. Then 1 plus 3 times 7 over 2. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
4 times 7 over 2. But may I tell you, this pen is giving me everything that I'm not asking for. Jesus. All right, let's go. So all of this is over. All right, so what is happening here is, okay, let me not do that. So this is 1, and LCM there is 2. 1 into 2 goes 2 times, and 2 ones 2, and that's a plus 7. That is going to give me 9 over 2. And then that 2 cancels that 2. 7 and 1 is 8. So that's only going to be 8. And then this is going to be 3 7 is 21. This is 1 plus 21 over 2. LCM there is 2. So this is going to be 2 plus 21. That's 23 over 2. And then this cancels that into that one time. Into that was 2 times 2 7 is 14. 1 plus 14. And that is equals to 15. So the sum of the first 5 terms. No, sorry. The first 5 terms of it are 1, 9 over 2, 8, 23 over 2, and 15. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. They look simple.
They're not bad really, They're really not
Just have to
bad.
practice.
They're really not
It's
bad.
just to remember each step and follow them.
Yeah, I'm following.
Same so. Same so. All right. I'm doing it like that. I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to take off and do what you need to do, and then I'm gonna move into the other one. I really can't give another question
Can someone
because
just download it and send it in the group, please? Just like how you usually do it.
Oh,
yeah.
you know this because when I sign in, so it not even show me that now.
Okay.
Not showing where to download it.
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah, man.
it's same on YouTube. You find the recording. Look at me. I forgot go back over there, man.
Yeah, man. It's the same YouTube channel, sir, that you'll find the recordings.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, the extra class thing we're ball playing about. We'll go after that.
Yeah, man. That will happen, man. That will happen. I promise. I just want to get through.
Sir,
I
next
want.
year.
No, I did say to you that when we close up, we're gonna still meet. So guess we're gonna have some in next year, but we're gonna have 1 or 2 in this year, because based on the dates of the exam, I will be able to resume some sessions. I just don't want to share the exam dates. I'm giving the school that opportunity to do it, but based on the dates that were shared with me in a meeting or in several meetings, we will have enough time to do some sessions in January before the exam, and I'll also have a few sessions with you in December here. I was trying to sort out myself a little bit to just get some exact dates I can send out to you guys. But yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
them couldn't just give it in a coursework and done. Jesus.
I don't actually, honestly, I don't even know. I don't even have an idea yet as to what exactly it's going to be. But you'll be fine. When I tell you you'll be fine, you'll be fine. Trust me on that.
Well, let me just pray. I will be fine. We will be fine. We
Mhm.
will be fine.
You'll be fine, man. All right, 2 more minutes. Okay, are we ready now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
All right. No. Oh, I didn't do that yet. I thought I did. All right, so I now need to develop the geometric progression. Having done the arithmetic with you, I need to develop the geometric progression with you. So in the geometric progression, this is what we're having. In the geometric progression, we still have the first term as A. Following from what it is that we spoke about in the arithmetic progression, we have the first term as A. We still have N as a number of terms. We still have Sn as a sum of terms. Um, we still have L as a last term. Now, the only difference that we need to talk about is instead of a common difference, we're going to call it a common ratio. Instead of having a common difference, we're going to be having a common ratio. So in the geometry progression, we still talk about the first term, we still talk about the number of terms, still talk about the sum of terms, still talk about the last term, But in this case, no, we're not talking about a common difference. We're talking about a common ratio. And we speak about one other thing in this. One dege thing more we speak of this. And it's going to be the sum to infinity. It's a sum to infinity. But don't worry about it. When we get to what to this river, we're going to cross it. There's only one thing I need to talk to you about, though. When we talk about, remember, when we talk about common difference, remember what it is that we did was a, a subtraction. True or false? If we want to find out,
True, sir.
yeah, man, if we want to find out the common difference, we take one term and subtract it from the previous term. Don't you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you hear me talk about a ratio, what comes to mind when we talk about a ratio?
Maybe division or something.
Why I use the word maybe?
I'm not sure. It's years ago. The ratio, I've
It's
never liked it.
division, sir.
Yes, division.
Like
Don't
you're
doubt yourself.
dividing quarters, dividing. So?
Well, not necessarily quarters, but it's going to be a division, right? So just remember, in order to find the common difference, you're going to take one term and subtract it from the term before. Now, the point I'm making here now is to do the common ratio. You're going to take one term and you're going to divide it by the term before. So, just as I wrote the general term here, a plus a comma a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, allow me to write out what the geometric progression is going to be. So the first term is going to be a, then we're going to have AR. Then we're going to have AR squared. You know what? Somebody will say to me, say, sir, I don't know what is that. AR. Then AR squared. Then AR cube. Then AR to the fourth, comma, dot, dot, dot. And then we can have now AR raised to the n minus 1. And this here is going to be my last term. My last term is going to be given by AR to the n minus 1. And of course, this is going to be my fifth term, my fourth term, because it's still minus 1, my third term, my second term, and of course, my A is going to be my first term. So you always remember that it's always still less than 1. When I say less than 1, I mean n minus 1. So for the last term for the arithmetic progression is going to be a plus n minus 1 times d. The last term for the geometric progression is going to be a times r, but r is raised to the n minus 1.
Sir, what you said the last term for the other one was? The AP.
Let me write it. A plus n minus 1 times d.
Okay.
Rings a bell?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you're right. The R, the like T, AR, N
Yes,
minus
sir.
1.
Come down. I think a
Please to
plus.
write it properly because I
The
will just write T.
last term a plus.
Go about
Yeah,
your
I
business.
will
But my
write
last time I press. Go away. And they don't know to write R.
Sir, when I write T, I realize it's R. So I say, what this not sound right?
They're only learn to write in a script.
I
Sir,
can't write
we
it.
only say 1 hour. You gonna
Sir,
play
then
don't want change everything?
Straight up,
but
man.
all them the R that look like N.
You know,
No, man,
when
you need to scribble. You
Cursive,
need to
man.
scribble something, the cursive, the scribble part.
when you go to good
It's
school, you write R this way.
Yes, sir.
Me not go to good school, you know. You know what? Let me not say.
Oh, goodness. Every year, it does not matter which year students I'm teaching pre-calculus. Every year. You notice I had changed it before? I had changed it before because I know somebody was going to complain about it. Every year, barring
I
none.
think that yes, get it supposed to turn, you know, cause
Same as so. No, same as so. That's exactly what I wanted to have done.
them writing on the no. Anyways,
Priscilla, leave me alone in Jesus' name. I bet you didn't know what taste so nice tonight.
I didn't cook, so
Same thing. She not have no dinner. All right. So that's what it is. That's what it is. It is a comma ar ar squared ar cubed ar to the fourth bam 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 ar to the n minus one. So you know what the last term is of the geometry progression. Let me give you something. For example, for example, given 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, dot, dot, dot. I'm going to ask you to evaluate. I'm going to ask you to evaluate the sum of the first 5 terms. Do me a favor. I want you to take 2 minutes. I want you to take 2 minutes to. All right, watch me. I'm not going to give it 2 minutes. I'm going to do it in 2 minutes for you. Watch it. Remember, I'm going to take one term and divide it in arithmetic progression. Where's the example now? In arithmetic progression, we took one term and subtracted from the term before, and that's how we got the common difference. In this case, in order to get the common ratio, I'm going to take one term and divide it by the previous term or the term before it. It means that I can't use this one because there's no term in front of it. So I'm going to take the 3. 3 divided by 1 equals 3 divided by 1 is
3,
9 divided by 3 is
2,
really
3.
27 divided by 9 is
3,
81 divided by 27 is
2. No, 3.
really 3. So you notice that the common ratio is 3 right across the board, don't?
yes, sir.
Right. So that's what we calculate the common ratio. All right. So I want you to do me a favor. Just like we did in the arithmetic progression, I want you to go ahead and I want you to find the sum for me. I want you to find the sum of the. So you know what the first, what was the first term again? First term for this one is
1.
1,
good. And what's the common ratio?
3.
sir.
Good job. Very good. And how many terms we have here?
5.
Good job. So we need to calculate the sum. Do me a favor. I want you to calculate the sum for me um, in the natural way, and then I'm going to show you the formula we're going to use to calculate the sum. Give me 2 seconds. What did you get for the sum? Hello. What did you get for the sum?
Sir,
I get
121.
121? Anybody else got 121?
Yes, sir. I got 121.
Okay. So 121 is correct. I want you to watch me now. I'm going to give you the formula for the sum. Don't blink. The sum is going to be A times R to the N minus 1 over R minus 1. And I'm going to show you a little trick to that. In another few. I'll show you a little trick to that in another few.
Sir, what you said the sum is A times is N over N plus 1? No, R to the N minus 1. What is correct, Batman? Sir, what with you?
much better.
Thank
It's better?
you.
Nice. Let me feel like I can't write. So, the Adrian feel like the Adrian can't write. And the Adrian also the Adrian can write, you know. All right, let's go. Should I tell him this, Lord? No? No, I'm not going to tell him yet. I'm not going to tell him yet. Okay, let me tell him now. What's the value of R?
3.
So we're going to use this formula when R is greater than 1. We're using that formula here, so when R is greater than 1. All right, so we're going to calculate the sum. You see, you got 121. Let us see what happens. What is A again?
That?
One.
So S5. Oh, come on, pen. Hold on, guys. This pen is giving me. A is 1 and R is?
3.
3.
Okay, thank you, Brit. R is 3 and what is N?
5
5.
So it's 3 raised to the 5th power minus 1.
over
Oh,
3 minus 1.
good job. And we did indices already, long time though, but we did it nonetheless. And that's why we had to teach you indices. What is 3 raised to the 5th power? Calculate it quick and fast, please.
243.
243?
Yes, sir.
43.
And this is 3 minus 1. All right? Now watch me.
Yeah.
So this is going to be the sum of the first 5 terms. It's going to be 1 times 242 over 2, which is equals to 121. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So that's the formulation that we're going to be using for it. That's the formulation we're going to be using for it. That's the formulation we're going to be using for it. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Quick question. Suppose you accidentally use the other formula instead, would you be penalized or marked down for it?
No. Which other formula?
First, you find the sum,
Yeah, but which other formula?
the AP.
No, don't tell me like AP. Say GP. We're not doing any APs, GP. We're unknowing, Papa. There's a reason I asked the question. What is the other formula? Talk to me, no man.
So I was talking about arithmetic progression, what different name?
Right. So that's why I asked the question. That's why you need to talk in class, because right there your head went somewhere else. And it's for me, to undo those. So no, we're on to geometric progression. So arithmetic progression is for later. So we can't talk about arithmetic progression because we're onto geometric progression. Two different things. Two different types of progressions. All right, Papa?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So let's go. So the other formulation is if R is less than 1, if R is less than 1, if R is less than 1, we're going to be using the reverse of the formula, which is Sn, come on, is equals to A 1 minus, so I'm going to write this now, R to the N over 1 minus R. We just flip it around. That's all that there is to it. Let me tell you the reason. So in answering your question, if you use this formula, if you again get it the same answer, yes, you will get the same answer. However, you will get a negative number. You'll get a negative number. And you don't want a negative number, so that's why we say if R is greater than 1, you use that formula. If R is less than 1, you use the other formula. But if you use either of them, you still get the same answer. So let me just show you how the negative sign can come up in this one now. So S5 is going to be A still 1. 1 minus R, 3 to the 5th, over 1 minus 3. S5 is still equals to 1. This is 1 minus 243 over 1 minus 3. So S5 is going to be equals to 1 times minus 242 divided by negative 2. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
I'm so white.
And you still get a
I
121.
just took a simple shower.
It's still getting to 121. But you see, students don't like negative numbers. And I try not to give you anything that will make you, you get a little confused. So that's why we say if R is greater than 1, we use one formulation. If R is less than 1, we use the other formulation. Talk to me.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
no, sir, madness, Arla, properly.
Say it again. Say it again, my
So
dear.
don't say madness. All
Uh-huh.
right. So the question is, they say given 1, 3, 9, 27, those numbers, they say evaluate the sum of the first 5 terms. Why you use the 3 and not any of the other numbers?
because R is 3, the common ratio is 3. Remember, we have to calculate what the common ratio is. The common ratio is that number that every time you divide one term by the other term, you get that same number. That's why it's called a common ratio, similar to what we got for a common difference.
Okay.
So in the formula, we have A, N, and R. In the one for up top, we have A, N, and D. See, here so we have A, N, and D. A, N, and D. In this one down here, we have A, N, and R. Because we're talking about A, R, and N. We're talking about a common ratio.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Sir, you're going to do one that have more things to it, like how the AP they have more things to
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me just want better no appetites. Yeah, man.
Okay.
But I'm just waiting for you to digest this and let me know.
Yes, sir.
Talk to me. My students, talk to me.
Sir, you can go on now.
Okay. You see, the one wanna get tired now of the whole something. On the kind of dark when you get into something and you can't do it because you never pay attention. Hey!
Sir, we are paying attention, but it's
Okay.
not our favorite topic, this.
No, you better learn it. All right. All right. So for example.
Sir, are you writing? Because I'm not seeing. Oh, just seeing it.
Sir, we can ask you a question.
Mm-hmm.
GP can have simultaneous equation too.
Well, we're going to find out soon.
Oh.
So the sixth term of a GP is 27, while the fourth term is 3. Determine the common ratio, the first term, and the sum of the first 5 terms. Take that off for me, please, and then we'll move on.
Yeah, ready.
All right. So watch me now, guys. So the sixth term of a GP, remember, it's going to be one less. So the sixth term of a GP is going to be given as AR. The sixth term of a GP is going to be AR to the fifth. Can you agree with me with that one?
Yes, sir.
So the sixth term of a GP is AR to the fifth, and it's equals to 27. While the fourth term, what is the fourth term of a GP given by?
AR to the third.
Good job. And that is equals to?
3.
Good job. Somebody has a question. I see it. Talk to me.
Me, sir. Me not
Mm-hmm.
understand.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the sixth term is raised to AR. I don't know if I explain it right. That's me, that hurt me. Let me go again. The sixth term, right? Or is AR to the fifth?
Remember with the AP, if it was the sixth term, it would have been A plus 5D.
Very good.
Mhm.
So yeah, minus the one, the power with this, with the GP, I guess yeah, minus the power.
I'll get on. All right, I'll catch up.
No. Tell me about you will catch up. Try and catch it now.
Sir, I don't know. I don't know if I throw my head or hurt me or me have headache about 5 days now. But me just not get right here, so. Try explain but right here, so.
All right. So remember I said to you right here. Right here, so on the screen. The last term of an AP
Oh, yes.
of a GP.
I see it now.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it is AR to the fifth. Anybody else? And that's why the fourth term is 3, and fourth term
It's
is going to
3.
be AR,
Yes. Yes,
right?
sir.
AR two.
I see.
Good. So the question was asked earlier now. Sir, like for the AP, I do simultaneous equation. You can do simultaneous equation for GP to sir? What do you think the answer is now?
Yes, sir.
All right. And look at how I'm going to do it. Watch me. I teach this differently from by others. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to, Mr. Bayo, differently from others. Look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a division sign right here, so, and I'm going to put one right here, so. I'm going to put the division sign right there. What I'm doing is to say A cancel A. So what I'm going to be left with now is R to the fifth divided by R to the third, which is equals to 27 divided by 3. Take a minute and look at that for me, please.
Then, sir, the R wouldn't cancel the R too.
And that media
And
goes
left with
to
the
the
R. So the R left with the
R.
5 and the 3. R is because it's because it
Third.
raised to the power. It's because it raised to the power.
So the R now can cancel.
No, yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm sure I ratio. All right, sir.
So what is R to the fifth divided by R to the third?
We're not going to subtract it then, sir.
So yeah, subtract.
And then get what?
2 R squared.
Very good.
Oh,
Love
sorry.
it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So it's going to be R squared. Okay, so it's going to make me write my R like on a All right, this pen is giving me a hard time. Um, R squared is equals to what? What is 27 divided by 3?
9.
R squared is
9.
equal to 9. Then what I must do in order to get this stuff is to find the square root. I have to find the square root now. So when I find the square root of R squared, I'm going to get R, and the square root of 9 is
3.
3.
3.
Sir.
So the common ratio is 3.
Oh. Sir, where you say you find the ratio of R?
The square root.
The square root of R? Oh, you do that.
Look on the calculator, see the square root sign?
And you see R too?
No, man. Just the square root sign you're going to see.
Yes, sir, I see it.
Yeah, man. So when you put 9, there, when you put the square root sign and press 9, we can get 3.
Sir, not that me talk. Oh, so any letter you get raised to the
Second power.
second power, you just write back the letter alone.
Right. When you find the square root of it, you just can write it back. Remember, recall. When we have the square root sign, it means that it's something raised to the half power. Anybody remember that?
Yes, sir.
So when I have the square root of R squared, it's going to be R squared raised to the half, don't?
Yes, sir.
And then recall again, A to the M raised to the nth power is equal to A to the M n. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So R 2 times a half, 2 halves. Say a whole.
A whole 1.
Right. So which is really equals to R. So the indices is coming back here now. So I would have found my common ratio. So now I'm going to put R equals 3 into equation. Lord, I never named the equation. So I'm going to put it in equation 2. You know it works with any equation, but I'm going to put 2. So anywhere in equation 2, I say R, I put 3. So this is going to be A 3 to the third power is equal to 3. What is 3 to the third power?
27.
27.
27. This is A times 27 is equal to 3. I want to find the value of A. What do I do?
Yeah.
Five.
Divide 2 side by 27.
Good job.
So when you're doing this one is division and not.
Very good. So A is going to be equal to 1 over 9. I see that? So that's how we
Yes,
do
sir. Give
it.
me a second. Let me just take it down.
No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And then no. It says to find the common ratio we did, to find the first term we did, and now to find the sum of the first 5 terms. Having shown you how to calculate the sum up here, so can you calculate the sum of the first 5 terms for me, please? I just showed you how to calculate the sum a while ago. in the example I gave, I'm changing the orientation of my screen so that you can have a bigger thing to look at. Having done the sum a while ago, is the value of R greater than 1?
No, sir.
Really?
The value of what, sir? The value of
R.
R.
Oh, R.
Take some time and calculate the sum for me, please.
So it's the same way you calculate it up top, the fifth term?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, which fifth term? No, the sum of the first 5 terms.
Oh, okay.
Sir, you have a can about the answer?
Anybody get an answer yet?
Yeah, and then get a third.
You get a what?
Third.
Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, me get 13/9.
Okay. Anybody else? Yeah, it's gonna come, no man.
That's I wrote mine.
Mm.
Sir, me personally, I forgot what about the recording.
Sir, you said we must do the sum.
Mm-hmm. Yes, please, the sum. Mm-hmm. Guys, talk to me, please. How far are we? I heard 2 answers so far, and there are 20 mashups in here.
I'm finished, sir.
What's you got for the answer?
4/9.
Yes, sir. Then me get them. They do it wrong one first.
Anybody else?
You get things wrong. Sir, me not finish it.
I'm get 13/4/9.
You get 13 and 4/9?
No wonder. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, let's go. I saw end this class, because when not talk to me tonight,
Sir, just wait a little bit now, sir.
All right, 2 more minutes. 1 more minute.
Sir, me do it so fast, but sir, me go get the answer. So they
My answer not really make no sense, so I'm just waiting.
Same thing, we just.
Okay, so let me be the judge of that. You don't be the judge of that. I'm the teacher. You tell me what you get for your answer. Talk to me now.
Sorry, when I work it up, we get like 13 and then a fraction. I don't know if that's right.
Yeah, man. So tell me, no, mama. Tell me what it is, man. They get 13 at the fraction. Tell me what the fraction they get.
Tell me no go through it, I have it in decimal 0.44.
Okay.
That not sound right.
Sir, what we did for check? The sum?
Yeah, man. The sum.
Sir, do it like we see,
yeah, me almost done.
So is it 13 and 4 over 9? That not sound
And that,
right.
all right, I don't know. Let me check and see what we get, no? Let me check and see what we get. We're gonna check. We're gonna check. We're gonna check. We're calculating the sum. We know that the sum is R is greater than 1. So we're going to say sum Sn is equals to A R to the n minus 1 over R minus 1. We know that A is equals to
1/9.
1 over 9. Good. We know that R is equals to 3, and we know N is equals to 5.
5, yes, sir.
So S5 is equals to 1 over 9, 3 to the 5,
Minus 1.
minus 1 over
3 minus 1.
3 minus 1 is correct. S5 is 1 over 9. That's the same, 243.
Yes, sir. Minus 1. Oh, math. Number.
That's 242. Rubbishness. 121.
So, sir, 242 over 2. I'm right back the 1/9.
Okay, 242
Over
over
2.
2. That's 121 over 9. Thirteen and 4 9. 13 and 4 nines.
You know what is our problem? We don't have the confidence in ourselves.
Problem is they're not talking to me. The problem is they're not come class. I'm congratulating you for turning off a class. But when they turn up, but when they're not here. Last one for the night. Last one. Punishment.
No, sir, no punish we. Think we're tired.
Sir,
Me
me
know.
change it something up. I had the 1/9, but then me change up the something instead of using back the 3 minus 1, me run go put use was 6.
Oh,
6 minus 1 and 4 was 6 minus. So no rub it out.
Sir, R2 me use.
Hmm?
R2 me use and not R5.
Okay. Well, you get the same answer though, right? No, you can't get the same answer then. What do you mean? Why use R5, R2?
No, my answer different, but it right, but it different. I never heard you ask for.
Oh. All right, quick and fast. That's the last thing for the night. We have 8 minutes, 7 minutes for class to finish. We're doing it in 5 minutes. All right, time. Always stay. I don't think I want to do this one for you. If you don't get it right, you can work on it for me for next class. What's the value? What's the common ratio?
If it right, is it
1.7.
1.3?
One.
Oh,
1.73?
Yeah, 1/27.
1.7.
Okay. All right. And I guess because I'm tired, why I did that. Because a while ago I was about to flip. I was about to flip a while ago.
Flip it, sir. God,
No. I was gonna flip because I'm gonna say we only get 1.7, but I will work the question like that because what it's supposed to be is actually 16, but I had 6, so I apologize for that. So let me just work this one work it as if it were 6. So my bad. So you have another one to do. So you're gonna do this one for homework for me, with the 16. But let me do the one as if it were 6, seeing that I'm the one that made a mistake. Forgive me. So the eighth term of a GP is, I had it as 6. The eighth term of a GP is 6. It's gonna be A plus lie. A plus is AP. So AR
To the
to the
7
7th is equals to 6.
and 8.
While the fifth term, AR to the 4th, is equals to 2. So you just do that little trick was showing you the A's them cancel out there. So R to the 7 over R to the 4th is equals to 6 over 2. So you're gonna have R cube is equals to 3, don't it? No, you're
Yes.
taking the cube root of R. It's not the square root you're taking of R. No, you see, because R is cube, you're taking the cube root. Look at the calculator and tell me what the cube root of 3 is.
sir, 1.7.
0.7.
Let me check.
You get it, it is a whole heap of numbers. It's a 1.73 and it continues.
With what? Master or minor give me 1.4.
Sir, what did you say?
The cube root of 3. What is the cube root of 3?
Me get 5.1.
Wait,
You get
96.
1.7320 and it continues.
Sir, may I get 1.44?
You get in 1.442.
Sir, may I get
That's what
1.
I get in.
Hold
all
on,
right.
let me go on again.
Clear my
Sir,
calculator again and may I do it over.
you put cube.
1.73. No, sir. Hold on there.
Because you're doing the square root. No,
Yeah.
the cube root is 1.44.
Cube root. Oh, hold on there.
Sure.
What?
1.73.
Sir, how you put in that?
I don't know to. Square root.
Of 3.
That you do, sir?
Not the square root, the cube root.
Yeah, it's, sir. The sign, that sign there.
With the 3 in the sleeve.
The 3. Then that me do a while ago?
Yeah.
And it's saying error.
Uh-oh.
I
Sorry,
Find
put
the
the
cube.
3 and then I put the
the
something
3,
there.
just the square root and then put 3
Sir,
again.
Demo, you write it on the board, the second part. So we must write it.
It
3,
depends. It depends on your calculator, but go ahead. Maybe
All
what
right.
you need to press 3 first,
yeah,
Press
and
the
and
then press
3
the,
first,
press the
then
cube root
square root,
sign.
and then
and then 3 again. I'm
Then
gonna get
3. I'm going to get
5.196
5.196.
5.196.
and
So
6.
sir, it's to be 5.2 then, cause one
Yeah,
point.
can you run it off to the.
Yeah,
That's incorrect.
sir, I hear
What?
now. Sir, my
So your calculators,
Yeah.
is the cube root sign on top of the keys or is it submerged? Is it raised or submerged?
It's on top of the key for me. It's
Okay, so what you need to do, it's one of two things for the algorithm. Either you're gonna press the cube root sign first and then you press 3 equal, or you press 3, then cube root sign then equal.
Sir, go slower.
sir, what
Didn't
was
hear what you said.
Sir,
the
when we
Press 3
Yeah.
and then the cube root sign and then press equal until what you get.
Error.
Good. So therefore, you have to press the sign first. So go ahead and press the cube root sign first, and then press 3, and then press equal.
I get about 1.73.
1.732.
That's not what I'm getting when I do it, though. I'm getting
Sir, clear your
1.44.
calculator.
My calculator's
Ask the
cleared.
question, sir.
Go right ahead.
Sir, what you say? If the cube root is on the calculator and not on the button, how you do it?
Mm-hmm.
How you do it, sir?
You have to go press the shift, the second function, or the shift button in order to access it.
Okay.
If it is written on the calculator and not on the button, you have to
Right.
press the shift button or the second function button in order to access that value, that key.
Okay, so shift and then the cube the sign. 13 minutes, please.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Shift and the sign and then press 3 and then equal.
Sir, when we do it, we get the shift, the sign, then 3, we get 1.44.
That's the correct answer.
Sir, it now work for me. Shift.
No, man. Try, man, Annie.
All right, you see it, my calculator is a Casio. It have
Yes, sir. Get 1.44.
Yeah, man. That's the correct answer.
if you have is a Casio you use,
Yeah,
it
Casio.
have it have the sign on top of the number and above it.
Yeah.
So when we press the shift sign, then
Yeah.
the cube and 3 equal, it give me the 1.44.
Yeah, I get that too. Stop do that, little girl.
Yeah, man. So that's supposed to be 1.44.
Oh.
Oh, I'm just get it too.
Yeah, man.
1.44.
So everybody's okay now with the
Jesus
1.44?
Christ. What a piece of shit.
I wonder where him do you make your call out him name in a vein, so.
No, sir, my brain. So,
It's going to be fine. No, they never normally give questions like this. So I mean, you can get it in a fraction form, yes, but yeah, but don't worry too greatly about it. All right, and then now I'm gonna put 1.44 into say equation 1. A 1.44 raised to the 7th power equals 6. What is 1.44 raised to the 7th power?
13.
Hmm?
Perfect. That's terrible. You get those 12.95.
12.839.
I get 12.98 when I do it on my calculator.
Yeah. 12.839. So that's all.
What is 6 divided by 12.98?
6. Zero 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 4622.
No, so you can't get 0. Oh, when I use with the calculator.
All right, hold on.
Or 0.
Let me do it again.
462.
0.462. Let me hear 0.00 a while ago. All right.
Yeah, 0.
0.462?
That's right, yeah.
Okay. And then the last piece is the sum. What was the sum again? The sum was R. What is R? R is greater than 1. So S5. Sorry, then we can always ask if we calculate S5. No. R to the n minus 1. It's just that me just give that several times. So S5 is going to be equal to A 0.462. And remember, the values come out looking as ugly as this one because I made a mistake with the question. But because some of you did the question, I have to respect your effort and just do it. to the fifth.
Sir, I'm not
Yeah.
getting 12.98, you know. I'm getting 12.83.
All right, I'm going to tell you why. It's because you guys clear your calculator and only put in 1.44. But when I did my calculation, I never cleared it at all. I just squared that answer. The 1.44 with enough numbers come after it, so that's why I use that. So 1.44 minus 1. S5 is equals to 0.462. Boy, what is 1.44 to the fifth power now? Jesus. 1.44 raised to the fifth power. 6.19.
Yes, sir.
1.44 minus 1. S5 is equals to 0.462. 6.19, so that's 5.19 over 0.44. 5.19 divided by 0.44. 11.80. Zero point 462. 5.45. Again, apologies for not writing the question out properly. But you have an extra question to do. I want you to use it with the correct thing for me.
Okay, sir.
And that ends the session. If there are no questions, I will say good night. But if there are questions, I will answer. Any questions?
Yes, sir. What about the coursework you said we'll get today?
Okay, you join the class late?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I said that I have the coursework. I'm just proofreading them before I send them off.
Okay, you're doing it through Canvas?
Yeah, but I'll let you know how I'm doing it. I'll let you
Okay.
know. So I have them, but I just want to proofread them so that I know that there are no errors.
Okay, sir.
No problem. All right, guys. Bless you. Thanks for coming out.
Bless you too, sir. Bless you too.
Hey, ma'am.
Night, sir.
Good night, all.
Nice. Bye, sir.